How is a sectional screw flight adjusted to the correct angle? Today let's take a closer look at the adjustment process. Manual adjustment. Everything starts with the flight angle. The operator first checks the shape and opening angle of the flight. Even a small deviation can affect the final conveyor performance. Expert adjustment. Accurate adjustment requires experience. The operator carefully adjusts the flight step by step. The goal is to achieve a stable and consistent angle. Angle consistency is the key to quality. Controlled forming. Uniform flight angles help improve assembly accuracy. Perfect curvature. Careful inspection ensures better performance. Smooth forming. Repeated checking helps maintain dimensional consistency. Smooth forming creates a better flight. Uniform shape. The finished flight shows a uniform shape and stable dimensions. The final result speaks for itself. Different sizes and specifications can be customized. If you need customized screw flight solutions, Bobo Machine has 30 years of experience and is committed to serving customers worldwide. Welcome to contact us for more information.